Here is how to change language in your ChatGPT account. So if you're using a web browser, go to chatgpt.com, or if you're using the mobile version, you can launch the ChatGPT application. Then after, click on your profile picture icon. In the browser, it is in the bottom left menu of the screen. Then select Settings. Then go to the General tab, and here scroll down and you'll get the option of language, that is between accent color and higher intelligence. As default, it is set to auto detect, but you can go ahead and scroll down and find the language that you want to set it to. For now, I'm going to go ahead and set it to Russian. Go ahead and click on any other language that you want to, and your ChatGPT will be refreshed automatically. The entire interface of ChatGPT will be changed to that specific language that you just selected. Now, if you want to go back and revert it, you can click on Settings, and then after, go to General and scroll down, select Language. From this drop-down menu, click on any language that you prefer. And again, the ChatGPT will automatically refresh and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.